Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. According to the RSI, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the pound fall 0.6% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Hyundai India's $3.3 billion IPO was subscribed in 42% on the second day of bidding, led mostly by employees who were offered shares at a discount and already oversubscribed their part of the offer. The IPO was subscribed 18% when it opened for bidding. Spain's benchmark IBEX closed at its highest since January 2010, following a rally of over 18% so far this year, outperforming other European indexes. Equities have hit multi-year and even record highs this year as central banks cut interest rates and inflation subsides. Fund issuer Stacked, also known as STKD, has launched an exchange-traded fund touting leveraged exposure to Bitcoin and gold as investors embrace the so-called debasement trade ahead of the United States presidential elections in November.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's employment change will be released at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The Eurozone's harmonised index of consumer prices at 9 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 0:30 GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 4:30 GMT. Japan's tertiary industry index at 4:30 GMT. The US retail sales at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.